pray to God to continue to grant us that peace and unity that this country dearly deserves.
God created Nigeria as we are, and God doesn't make a mistake. We should thank God for that.
We must continue to work hard to make sure that we achieve the desired results.
In spite of the mess we try to make of the country, He manages always to rescue us when we get to the edge of the precipice, and we thank Him for that.
I am grateful to the Almighty God for accepting and accommodating us despite the mess we've made of ourselves in the country.
We are grateful to the President and the Vice President for thinking it fit to call us together to join in this festival of today.
God has done us a great turn by providing everything that we need to live abundantly, to live prosperously.